Especially when you're starting to learn machine learning or AI on the cloud, you will need access to various cloud resources to help you put that learning into practice. Let's take example of Azure. There are so many ready-to-use AI services called cognitive services that allow you to integrate intelligence in your app with very little effort. You can get yourself an Azure account that will allow you to access these cognitive services for free for 12 months. Subscribe to my channel to keep learning about Azure Cognitive Services. I also do hands-on session on Azure Cognitive Services where I provide you with everything. All you have to do is show up. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a free Azure account. To do that, let's navigate to the website azure.microsoft.com/free. You will come on to this page. As you can see, the 12 AI services are now free for 12 months. These are called cognitive services. You have computer vision, you have anomaly detectors, you can even detect forms or do some text analytics. For today, let's just start by creating our account. Start by clicking on the green button which says Start Free. The first thing it will ask you to do is sign up. I will enter my code, and the next thing it's going to do is ask me to enter some information. So I enter my first name, my last name, my email address and my phone number. It's also going to ask me to verify by phone. I'm going to just do a text me. It will send me a verification code. Now we will do an identity verification by card. For this, you will need a credit card. Once I've entered my credit card information, of course for obvious reason all this information is blurred, I click Next. I have to agree to the customer and privacy agreement. I of course don't want any information and tips, and I am ready to go. It's going to do another verification before I get my free Azure account. Let's go to the portal, and there you are, all set up with Azure. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.